Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. Church was so good today. I want to share. And the message came from Luke 2:41 through 47 and 49. And the title is, Where is Jesus in all of this? Whew, powerful. Anyway, so I went to Sam's, I went to Lowe's, I went to Best Buy, I stopped in Ross because Best Buy wasn't open, and I went to another store. So my grandbaby will be here this weekend. We're getting ready for a baby shower for my great niece. And so he likes bacon for breakfast, and he likes pancakes and syrup. So I got that all ready for him. My son requested a chocolate cake, so I got this. I usually get Dunkin' High, but this Betty Crocker Triple Chocolate Fudge is a good cake. But I'm going to do the white almond sour cream. So you just substitute chocolate instead of the white. Instead of white milk, I'm going to put chocolate milk. And I'm making the icing with the Hershey's Cocoa, y'all. This stuff was back in the day $2.98, $5.04 today. I was like, I almost started to leave it, but I went ahead and got it because you can use it over and over again, so I went ahead and got it. I got the confectioner sugar. When we went to Sam, I got the lemonade. It didn't have the pink lemonade or strawberry lemonade. I got the dyed green tea, and I got my son he liked the bowl mix, the 50 bags. I got him that. At Best Buy, I got me another hard drive, and I had to get a new monitor because the computer I have is an all-in-one. And I had to get the VGA card, so here it is here. I got that from Best Buy. I got my peanuts. Now, I got peanuts that I took to work on Friday, but I wanted to go ahead and get some more because some days I eat peanuts and apple or orange for lunch. At Lowe's, I ordered me some more blinds. You know how your blinds get where like you be peeking out and it ends up separating? I can't stand how that looks ragged into a window. If they don't look good, if the blinds don't look like the blinds when I bought them, I got to pull them up. So, y'all, I bought 24 bunches of greens at $12, and so I peeled them all. I picked them all yesterday. I rinsed them, but I haven't washed them. I needed some big. I like to use these 2-gallon freezer bags to put them in. So I don't know how many I'm gonna end up with. I'm cooking some greens today, and then I'm gonna blanch and put the rest of them in the. I'm gonna blanch. Well, so what I'm gonna do is finish cleaning them first, and then I'm gonna blanch them all. But while I'm blanching them, the ones I'm cooking today, I'm going to just take, them and add them to the meat as I boil it. Because I got some smoked turkey necks, and to me, they take forever to get done. So in support of the Girl Scouts, they were out selling cookies. So I got some of the Thin Mints. And I got this. They say if you like s'mores, this is like s'more, but it's brown instead of coconut. That's going to be too much. I won't be eating those, but I went ahead and got them for support. I got some milk. I got my grandbaby his bacon for the weekend. I got some sour cream to make that cake. I needed some more eggs. I was going to take this taco seasoning back to Sam's because I had bought 2 instead of 1. I'm going to go ahead and keep this because I'll be able to use it. Instead of buying the little individual packs, the 1-ounce packs, this is $6 for this big thing. I don't know how good it tastes though. So if it's good, I start buying it instead of buying those little small packets. And I got the pans and the lids. I love to have these at the house. I also got some Ozarka. We like Ozarka water here, so I got 3 things of the Ozarka water. And my son, and that's it. My son put the water up already. But this is all I have, y'all. And I think, the stuff I got from Sam's was $100, $98, and the other stuff I got here was $40, I think. $40, yeah. And this thing here was $18 at Best Buy. These were $14 each, but I used my Lowe's card, so I saved a little bit. I think I ended up paying $22 total. So what I do is I use my Lowe's card to get my discount, and then I just turn right back around and pay them out. That's what I do. All right, y'all, that's all I have. Not very much, but I do like sharing what I do purchase. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, they used to have so many of these peanuts in this store. But now, since I don't know, maybe I shared it, maybe people just found out about them anyway. They're really, really good. But they don't have them very often. I mean, they were stacked, piled up Friday when I went there. And Today, they had probably about 6 more of these. So I went ahead and bought me another one because I know I need one before the week is over. And that's it. Y'all have a blessed day. Talk to y'all later. And welcome to my new subscribers. It's all love over here, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.
여유롭게 달려와 내일은 더 빛나지 당연 yeah. 내 삶은 shine like a diamond 괜히 해서 뭐해 걱정 I got no worries no I got no worries no I got no worries no I'm shining like a diamond yeah. Got different view 여유롭게 teasing yeah. 내 자유로운 soul leave me be please 문제가 돈이라면 I'll be filthy rich But 걱정 따윈 없지 나는 rich 뱀이라 따위는 너 언제나 보이는 건 no no 속도로 내야 돼 pedal to the metal yeah. I don't really care just move out of my way Reaching for the stars, always on the right road 사실 어떤 길이라도 그게 상관없지 yeah. Finna make it work 늦더라도 고른 삶은 마치 roulette 당층까지 rolling yeah. I'll put on down, give them all, give them 100 I got a lot on my mind 아직은 나 힘이 들어도 I'm grinding yeah. Yeah, 나는 나의 신치 않아 목소리 내야 해 목소리 내야 돼 더 Got a different view 여유롭게 달려 내일은 더 빛나지 당연 yeah. 내 삶은 shine like a diamond 괜히 해서 뭐해 걱정 I got no worries no I got no worries no I got no worries no I'm shining like a diamond yeah. I got no worries 걱정 따윈 없지 no 대기권에 나를 맡겨 태양이 너무 가까워 나의 그들은 burning 나는 분난방을 자쳐 담비가 내릴 때까지 wow. 기우제 yeah. 누가 나를 나보다 더 믿어 okay. 네가 날 버려도 아직 내가 있어 yeah. 너는 내가 무너지길 빌어 가끔 내가 위태해 보여도 never fall 굵지 않은 무릎 성공이 나를 부름 먼저 향해 구름 위 다 밟아 브룸 브룸 에스컬레이트 편법 원칙 따윈 게나 줘 오늘도 신고 난 내 방식대로 go yeah. Don't you love it 이게 사는 거지 뭐 모두가 shine bright한지 모르고 있어 그저 이 밤이 낮이 될 때까지 keep on and on and on all night till you hear my echoes wow. yeah. Got a different view